big difference between like third grade and eighth grade dildo searching. Because I have less problems with an eighth grader. Okay, so my second question was what kind of dildos are we talking here? Like, paint me a picture.
Oh,
Because there's such a wide variety. Were these like plain Jane, or are we talking like the American Dream? Like, are we talking?
it was just a generic dildo search. So there was, I mean, it was Amazon, so there were all varieties there, but majority was the plain Jane.
All right, so just white bread, real plain, like Debbie's first dildo. I got it. Okay,
That's what we were going for.
it's nice to know you guys have really good web filters over there on the school property.